Hello, it's Darren from Investor Income. Welcome to the channel. Talk about the Nadex trades today and Nadex 5-minute binaries, as well as two other Nadex trades I placed just on pound Japanese yen today. I was out for some of the day, actually managed to get out, which is amazing in the current climate. Actually saw some of the outside world, incredible stuff. Anyway, 5-0 I got on Nadex 5-minute binaries in under 1 hour, and that was just trading our usual system, and it was well, it's just nuts, really. It was just incredible. I couldn't believe, still can't quite believe it is as reliable and accurate as it is. So that gives me great caution. However, at the minute, it is ridiculous. So these two at the top here, we'll just quickly talk about these. These weren't 5-minute trades. These were Nadex daily trades. I took those with the trend down there, and I came out for a lovely bit of profit down the bottom here. It wasn't down here, it was actually around these averages. These were opening up slightly, so there was likely to be a bottom being put in, and looks like that's just what we've got. A typical double bottom. Looks like a W come up in any case. But I thought, since as we are down the bottom now, why not try some of the 5 minutes again? So I've been looking at this for a long time, and I wasn't happy with the reliability of it, and I was very nervous around it just because the 5 minutes are so volatile. And also, I'm very, very aware of the fact that 5 minutes Nadex, especially on YouTube, there are a lot of just plain scammers and BS out there, and I don't want to be put in that bracket. I'm a trader. 5 minutes is a very fast time frame to work in, super volatile, and you have to be very quick and familiar with the platform, A, and B, with the strategy to be able to trade it. It's the same strategy we use to trade all assets. It's just on a different time frame, and it is incredible. However, it's at a stage now where I'm going to release it to everyone because I've traded it now on numerous sessions, and I've always been profitable on each session. I have taken losses. I took one heavy loss. That's the thing with Nadex. It's out the money in any case, so it's not a heavy loss. But as far as I was concerned, it was a heavy loss because it was $35 loss, which is essentially nothing. But it's the fact that it was a loss and a pure loss, and I don't like that. But could say I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and I don't really like those trades that just go completely against the system. Funnily enough, with that, I entered again, and that trade then came into profit. But we'll just take a quick look at these. So effectively, I didn't lose anything on that trade in any case. I just don't like the fact that it went completely against system. But that happens on the shorter time frames. So you're going to get spikes and that. So these are actually the entries that I took within the hour time frame. All profits. One I came out early, and the others I rode. So that was great. But the system tells us when to come out anyway. So you need to be familiar with the system. You need to know how to trade it. For the reasons we take these trades, and it was 5-0 today. That's just in 1 hour. Now, that was also at the end of the day on a Friday, which is it's crazy anyway, but slightly less volatility around that sort of time. Could be helping the system as well. You don't want to be trading this around the market opens and things like that, or when there's news, etc. You'll be trading it in just normal trading conditions, and you can get extreme accuracy with it. And that's why I've been nervous about releasing it, because it's doing so well, and that makes me nervous. Because I will not release anything to the public or to anyone. This is my system with my name on it, and I'm proud of what I've done and achieved. So if I'm getting other people involved in trading, I need to know that system is profitable in the long term, which is why I don't release things until I know that they're profitable. Now, I'm very aware though, with the 5 minutes, you've got to know when to put the contracts on. You've got to be accurate and effective when you put them on, because if you don't, if you delay or you wait too long, because it's such a short time frame, it can spike and you lose your entry, and then you trade based on the fact that you've lost the entry, and you are now in a bad position in that trade, or in a position where it's not favorable. And you can potentially lose money then. And I don't want that, especially for people who aren't used to trading or are new to trading. I don't want to be putting people in that stressful situation. The 5 minutes, you've got to be aware the 5 minutes is super volatile. It's just, it's such a fine line sometimes between the winners and the losers. Generally, we're extremes in any case, so our movements are more. But when it's hesitating to make that move, you need to be getting in at a good price at a good time. So you just need to be aware of that. And in the system, you learn how to close your trades out and when to come out of these trades. It's the same for any other time frames you use, which makes it consistent, because if you can trade the 5 minutes, you sure as hell can trade any other time frame. And this system is nuts, especially, if you look at the longer time frames, even if you're new to trading, you want to start on the longer time frames, then it's pretty incredible on the longer time frames. So, but I'm super excited the 5 minutes working so well. And these trades here, very high probability trades, very high probability trades. I was very confident taking them. But that's what the system gives you. And I did hold it. I was tempted to come out here, but to be honest with you, because so far in profit, the market was going in the right direction. It had come down heavily, and it hadn't touched my average yet. So I got greedy. I'll be honest. Why not? So it's a Friday. Why not get greedy? And it worked. It's just more often than not that's the case. It was just in a position where it was always going to happen. There was always going to have some movement like that. So crazy day, really, absolutely crazy. That's 7 out of 7 on Nadex today. So I do like Nadex. It caps your risk. It's great for people on limited budgets or beginners that don't want to risk too much. We only trade out the money and at the money contracts. I never trade in the money contracts. I put the odds in my favour always. So I want to be risking as little as possible and getting as much as possible, quite clearly. So when I'm trading out the money contracts at $30 or $35 or whatever it may be, I even traded one at $10 the other day, and it spiked, and I just took profit. It's insane. But you can see, it's just the way it is. So it's super good. It's not guaranteed. Nothing in trading is guaranteed, and I certainly can't guarantee that you will be profitable 100% when you place these trades. I'm putting the system in your hands. I give you the training what to do, and from then it's down to you. You are a trader at the end of the day. Otherwise, you'll be letting somebody else trade your money on your behalf, and they'll be registered and everything else. I'm giving you the system. It's a highly profitable system, and it works. Simple as that. And I show you how it works. I explain the system to you, and I support you in the trading group. Can't really ask for more than that. There's very few people, I guarantee you, there's very few people out here on YouTube who are genuine traders who trade every day. Most people are selling you some crappy system that they've got on some affiliate link, and they're getting commission off the broker they're setting you up to. They're getting the commission off whatever platform they're setting up to you. I don't do any of that crap. I sell a system at a very affordable price, and you join a trading group, and we all trade together. That's it. I'm selling you the system that I've developed over 10 years, nothing else. And, these affiliate marketers, I'm telling you, the majority, the vast 95% of these YouTubers are selling you some crappy system that they've either they're made up, or they've got an indicator that they purchased or whatever, and they're selling it. It's just BS. Or the signals. If any of you give me any story of a signal service on 5 minutes, on any Nadex actually, 5 minutes, any of them that are actually consistent in the long term. Most of them will just trade a simple flipping MACD cross or whatever it is. Some flipping, there's no basis to the system. There's no logic behind it. I explain all my trades. I explain them on YouTube, and I explain them in the training area, the reasons why we're taking them. There's logic behind it. We use multiple factors to enter trades. Will they always win? Of course they won't. But they're very high probability trades to start with. Anything happen in the markets. But we're always entering at good levels. That's all you can do. I trade differently from most traders, which is why my system works, in my opinion. And, if other people don't agree with the way I trade, then that's fine. That's up to them. I'm not really bothered, to be honest. I don't need confirmation because I'm trading it. I know it works. And very few, I haven't seen, I don't know. Very few people post their trades and what they're doing. So, anyway, I'm very passionate about it. I absolutely love this stuff. It's what I do for a living. I'm here every day doing it. Not every day. I did actually take a day off the other day, but I'm normally flipping working the weekends as well. I try and take some time off with the family and things, but I'm busy because I'm always looking at making it better, enhancing it, but it's always the same system. I'm just changing little things around it, make it clearer, or whatever it may be. I was trying to work with a developer on the 5-minute system. It just wasn't working out, and I spent some money there with a developer trying to get him to do some stuff. He couldn't really get it to be honest, to a level where I was confident with it, and I just enhanced and changed the existing system to take into account the things that he wasn't able to do, and we've ended up with something super reliable, super accurate. So it's great. I'm proud of it, and I hope that you can all join the group. Please like, subscribe. Please like and subscribe, and all the things YouTube likes. And I hope to see you in the trading group. I'd love to have you. If you're serious about trading and you want to learn the system, be in a group with like-minded traders all doing the same thing, support is there all the time because I'm there, other traders are there. Hope you can join us. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully see you in the group soon. Take care of yourselves.